All right, many myths and misconceptions, ladies, about our female health, our health. Here now to help us debunk some of these. Specialist Dr. Monique Brown, we have 8 minutes, and she says about 1,000 million myths when it comes to us, but we're going to just tackle some of the top ones, maybe some of the more important ones, Doc, as per your estimation, because you know this like the back of your hand. Welcome to Smile. Good to have you.
Thank you for having me.
Are there many of us who believe these myths?
Unfortunately.
To our own detriment?
Yes,
yeah.
Unfortunately. And, you know, as we were just talking about, there are so many myths out there that I think men and women should hear these today. And I think the first one I want to talk about is this use of garlic. I know there have been trends going around. I'm not sure how much you see the internet, TikTok, and
I'm afraid to ask you to expound. Garlic?
Garlic. So one of the problems that we've found is a lot of women try to self-medicate. So there's been trend, they have been talking about using garlic to insert into the vaginal canal to treat.
To do?
Yes, to treat, yes.
Yeast infection?
Any vaginal discharge that they think might be abnormal.
Garlic? Yeah?
Yes, yes, the same garlic that, you know, burns. Yep, the same one.
So that's a hard no?
It's a hard no.
Is that harmful?
Yes, and it should burn.
Yeah,
Yes, because, you know, the other day I had to go and get some garlic for, I had like a sore throat. It wasn't COVID, but maybe a month ago. And it was so hard to consume the garlic, so I can just imagine to insert it.
We can't even cook with garlic, I tell you. What? Where we get this thing? Okay, so garlic is it's a no-no for...
Yes, I know.
For down there.
Yes.
One.
The next one is douching. I realize that we're still practicing douching in this day and age.
Oh.
Right.
Not good.
No, not good. So using any type of fluid or soaps, water to wash inside the vaginal canal is a no, because you will throw off your vaginal pH.
pH.
Right. And
it's so amazing to me. Then why are douches still on the market?